Skal vi prøve at snakke lidt om de 4 applikationer, som I har puttet i fra starten af? Jeg forstår, at der er en dinosaur-tilstand.
Yeah, that's one of them. We have, as I said, four different of them, and the first one I would like to mention is something called time shift burst, which basically gives you the opportunity. Whenever you start that mode, the camera will automatically start buffering images. So when you press the camera button, you will basically set a midpoint for the range of pictures that you capture. So imagine if you're taking pictures of your kids, for example, they move around a lot. It's very hard to capture that special moment. In this case, you can actually be up to 1 second late, and then you will be able to scroll back to find that specific moment that you were looking for with your shot. That's time shift burst. Then, as you mentioned, the dinosaurs is something we call augmented reality effect. Basically, a catalog of different effects: dinosaurs, party hats, scuba diving gear, etc. That automatically will sense if there are humans in the picture and add hats to them, etc. And then you can move around these different objects to give you a cool view, which you then press the camera shutter button to kind of take a photograph of. That's the second one. The third one is something called Info Eye, which is basically a special mode in the camera that recognizes objects that you aim your camera towards. So if you, for example, are interested in a bottle of wine, you could aim your camera through a bottle of wine. You get information on that wine, what to eat to that wine, similar wines, links to the winery that it's from, etc. That's wine. Then you have, of course, books and CD covers and album, movie covers, etc., where it will recognize and give you lots of more information. It will also be able to handle landmarks in a cooperation with TripAdvisor, so that you, for example, if you're in Paris and take a picture of the Eiffel Tower, you will actually be able to read all the information about the Eiffel Tower and so forth. And then the third one is a cooperation with a company called Bambooser. It's an application called Social Live, and what it does is basically that when you enter that mode with your camera, you will actually, everything you do when you start filming will actually be streamed live to Facebook. Without creating any specific accounts or signing up for any kind of service, you will be able to stream up to 10 minutes of live video directly to your Facebook wall, or publicly, or to your friends, or to specific friends if you want to choose specifically. So imagine when you go for a friend's wedding, for example, you can share that together with the friends that were not invited to the wedding as well through Facebook.